Right, so this is what I saw when I woke up this morning. This is the beginning of London session, and you can see that the market broke last week's previous high, which is this. And from that, we'd know that there's a good bullish move. So, what I decided to look out for was a good entry. Also, I didn't take a trade this morning during London session because I could not find a good entry. I know probably someone else somewhere must have seen a good entry, but I didn't see where to go in. And since then, as you can see, this was Asian sessions high. The market had just barely crossed it. So I've just been dancing around in the markets, and I do not like that. All right, so I looked around for the confluences I work with. I couldn't find them. So here we have an upward move here, and which you can see from here. But before London session opened, this was what we had, and this was not enough confluence for me. I could not know if the market was going to break out downwards or if it was going to go continuously upwards. So let it slide. This is the high of Asian session, and this is the low of Asian session. So yeah, one thing I like doing, like buying low and selling high. So if I'm to sell high, then I need some good confluences. Also, there's a bullish imbalance here and a bullish fair value gap here. So this was one of the issues that I had, knowing that there's a bullish fair value gap here. There's a bullish fair value gap here. One. Also, there is a bearish imbalance here. Also, there's a bearish imbalance here, and just a couple of things that just was making my decision clouded. And when I'm in a situation like this, I take a step back and watch how the market plays out. I do not just take a trade when I'm having situations like this. This is a bearish imbalance. It's a bearish imbalance, and there's a fair value gap here. So imagine you being in the market at this point in time. Let's say I take this backwards. This is what you see: imbalance here, fair value gap here. It's just not straightforward, and I do not like those type of trades. Also, so many confluences that I want, couldn't find here. So I waited it out, and now I'm waiting for New York session, and I'm going to give you guys updates on New York session, see if I do take a trade. First off, today is Monday, so Mondays are quite tricky. Put that in mind, because yeah, market just opened today. London session, a lot of people coming in, starting the week. So hopefully we get it set up. If we do not, wait it out till tomorrow. So yeah. Alright, so this is New York session, and this is what happened. So we had this high, and the market eventually came down to this low. Obviously, we observed that there was a bullish move, upward trend, but I still did not see enough confirmation to go in. Immediately the market opened, I got this fair value gap, I think this is a bearish fair value gap. Yeah, there was a bearish imbalance here and a bearish fair value gap, which the market eventually broke out of and gave an inverse fair value gap, which was a good confluence for a buy, but still not enough for me. So the market went back. I needed it to have a breakout structure, which is breaking this previous high. Eventually the market came back down and broke the high. Pretty good. Anyway, so I waited for the market to give me a retest after the breakout structure, which we see here. Breakout structure, then a retest, then I went in. Held on my position. I went in for a 1-to-4 ratio, risking 500 pips to get 2000 pips on gold. And that's what you see here. This was where I got in. And yeah, so as much as this is beautiful and looks like a happy ending, well, it did not end up as a happy ending because, well, I decided to give a shot to those stuff you see on YouTube that says move your stop loss to entry. Basically, I was risking 500 pips and the market went as high as over 1000 pips. And yeah, I think 1100 something pips. And I decided to move my stop loss to entry. And yeah, I did that, moved my stop loss to entry, and boom, the market came down straight up to my entry and kicked me out. And eventually reversed back to hit my TP, which was a lot to take in. But yeah, it's one of those things that you learn. So the positive part about this was the fact that yes, my setup was right. Yes, I entered at the right time, but I did not commit to what I wanted to do at the beginning of the trade, which was risk 0.5% of my account. And I decided to find a shortcut out of that. Differs, everyone has their different trading strategies and trading plans. But over time, I've discovered that moving my stop loss to entry robs me of more profit than the amount of losses it saves me from. So yeah, this is just one of those examples to remind me and those of you who do it, you need to also get your data to back whatever decision you're making. Have my data to back my decisions. So yeah, for that reason, I might not be doing this moving stop loss to entry anymore. But yeah, so this is what happened, and it was a good trade, a good setup. Yeah, let's see what tomorrow holds. Also, because of spread, I had a loss of like $1 something. But yeah, it is what it is. It's one of those things. So yeah, tomorrow we'll come again. We go again and see if we see a good setup. If we do not see a good setup, I am not taking any trade. It's as simple as that. Wait for my setup and peace out.